Marjorie Sande manages this public borehole in Mbare, a poor and crowded suburb of Zimbabwe's capital city, Harare. These kinds of sites shorten the distance to clean water, a blessing in a metropolitan area cursed with access problems for years.
A lot of people actually prefer to use bush pumps as opposed to the tap water from the city council.
Poor neighborhoods bear the brunt of water shortages, as residents often turn to public water points for free or low-cost access. Harare's Mayor Jacob Mafume says the local reservoir, built in the 1950s, isn't big enough to serve the community.
It was designed for a population of 500,000 people, and the greater Harare population has got 3 million people. So demand is outstripped supply.
President Emerson Mnangagwa introduced a borehole plan in early 2022 to improve water access in Zimbabwe. The plan builds on long-running efforts by local and international aid groups to provide public water sites. UNICEF set up the bush pump that Sande manages. But the women who come here say they are being harassed and sometimes physically attacked. Some men jump the water line. Others, so-called borehole marshals, illegally take charge of water points and demand obedience, cash, or sexual favors in exchange for water access.
As women, we usually queue early for water so that we can get enough time to prepare our kids for school. But when these men arrive, they disregard the queues and go straight to the front and fetch water. So this causes disputes and unended heated arguments.
A rape clinic official at Pariranyatwa Hospital in Harare says there have been many reports of people being harassed or assaulted while fetching water.
So this sexual assault that takes place is a complex of a lot of things. So it can be as subtle as, if you want water, then you need to give me some form of sexual services.
Many victims do not come forward due to shame, fear, stigma, or simply because they do not know what action to take, says Rutendo Mudavanu. She works with a female empowerment program, Shamwari ya Mwanasikana, which in Shona means friends of the girl child. To help, the NGO also has recruited male volunteers to aid at water points.
Our main aim is to fight gender-based violence, so we are already helping people at most of the water points.
Advocates say women should have more of a say in the design, management, and location of water points and sanitation facilities.
We would really want a permanent solution where we can access water from our own taps, from the comfort of our homes.
For Keith Baptist in Harare, Zimbabwe, Carol Gunsberg, VOA News.